I made a song a couple days ago. Please comment below with honest opinions, and thank you for your time. First time we met, I remember the look in your eyes. I won't forget it. I remember it like it's yesterday, but now I don't see you no more. And I wonder why things between us started to change after a while. You were slowly moving apart as days went by. I started to see less of you, and when I called, it went straight to voicemail. You never picked up for me. I left at least 10 messages a day. You never cared to call back. I walked over to your place, knocked on the door, but there was no answer. I walked down the stairs, talked to the manager, said he moved last week. I walked out the apartment, went to a bar. I tried to drink you on my thoughts, but the drinks only made it worse. I went home, I fell out on my bed, I cried myself to sleep that night. I woke up the next morning with a headache, I passed out and hit the floor. Out of nowhere, I heard your voice call my name. I suddenly woke up, but there was nothing there.